Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shantice and I am a yoga and wellness teacher. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a DIY yoga bolster. So what you need is a pillow and a thick blanket. So let's begin by making our yoga bolster. You're going to get your blanket first, spread it out nice and wide, and then you're going to fold it in half. I'm going to use my yoga mat as a prop to help me line it up, but you don't have to use your yoga mat if you do not want to. So I'm going to make sure that it's nice and long. I'm going to grab my pillow and I'm going to fold it. So the best kind of pillow to use for this is a bedside pillow if you have one, but if not, you can use a normal pillow. So I'm going to put my pillow right at the top of my yoga mat. I'm going to then begin to roll. So this is where you really want to keep that tightness. You really want to keep that tightness in your yoga bolster. So as you're rolling, just continue to tuck and tuck as you roll away. So roll until you get to the very end. Keep going. Take your time with this as well. So once that's done, you should have a really nice yoga bolster. Nice and cuddly. So let's get into our yoga asanas, our poses. So we're going to go into child's pose. Make sure that your bolster is nice and long. You're going to rest your entire upper body onto your yoga bolster. Knees are going to be nice and wide. Head is going to be to the side as well. Make sure you're taking slow deep breaths with this one. Just taking your time. So these are restorative yoga asanas, which mean poses. Poses for great and deep relaxation. So you're going to slowly begin to make your way up now. I'm going to shift my yoga bolster to the side, coming onto my front now. We're going to go into a pigeon pose, a modified pigeon pose. So your right leg is going to bend and your knee is going to be resting on your yoga bolster. This is a great hip opener as well. You can create a little bit of a pillow with your hands, resting on your forehead. Slow deep breaths and your opposite leg is just nice and straight, nice and relaxed. So let's try that now the other side. Bring your leg down. Swing the yoga bolster very gently on the other side. And again, just lift up. Opposite leg. Knee is resting on the yoga bolster. Slow deep breaths as you're winding down and relaxing. Really taking your time. We're going to slowly come out of that now. And I'm going to make my way up. Grabbing my yoga bolster now, I'm going to take it to the tip of my mat and I'm going to lay down on it. So as you lay down, you may have to adjust. Make sure it's on your lower back, it's not on your bottom. You have enough space to rest your head. So just coming into Savasana. Savasana with a very gentle high release of the chest. Allow the legs just to be spreaded out nice and wide. Inhaling and exhaling as you're here. Be very gentle with your body right now. We're going to slowly come into our last asana. Just going to bring my yoga bolster a little bit closer towards me, creating a pillow, side laying. So just take your time. You want to allow